What is up, guys? On today's episode, we're doing a review on the Audew car starter, jump starter. It's a power bank car starter. It's got a flashlight on it. This thing is a tank. Now, I have not used it yet, and that's what I plan to do on this video. But I want to go over some of the features on this thing, which really there's not many. It has a flashlight, and it has a speed charging port, USB port, and it has a regular USB port, and it has a USB Type-C port. And it comes with multiple cords. Let me go grab them. Anyway, to start off with, it comes in this very robust case. It's hard. It comes with very sturdy foam on the inside, but it's packaged very nicely. It comes with multiple cords, a charge cord. It charges fast. It's very simple, but it is very powerful in the same note. The start current on it is 500 amps. A peak current is 1500 amps. And this is a 20,000 milliamp battery. That's like... The last car starter that I had was 10,000 milliamps, and the Eclipse screwed it up while I was trying to jump start it. The thing swelled up, and now it will not jump start a car. I can still charge a phone with it. I don't know what's going on with that. It's probably going to go in the trash, because this thing seems pretty nice. Alright, now just like I said, what I'm going to do to test this out, my truck has a good battery. Doesn't need jump started. I'm going to disconnect the battery, and I'm going to try to jump start it with this. And for comparison purposes, a couple months back, bought a Harbor Freight jumper pack, which is kind of like a cheaper one, bottom of the line. They have a better one, I guess. The specs on it are not as good as this thing, but I'm going to try to jump start the truck with that, and I'm highly certain it's not going to work. And then I'm going to try this. And quite honestly, I don't know if this is going to jump start my truck with the battery disconnected either. But this is a very good test. So you guys are going to be seeing it live with me, because I honestly don't know if it can do it. And if it can do it, I'm sold. It's impressive. Alright, so right now, as you see it, I hooked up the Harbor Freight jumper pack. I have it turned on. This is at 100. I actually just unplugged it to plug it in here. It's at 100% charge. I do not think this will jump start the truck like this, but we're going to try it. We're going to try and see. So, let's see if we have power. Let's try. Well, it's supplying power to the truck, but it's not enough to jump start it. It just clicks whenever I turn it over. So now, let's see what the Audew can do. What the Audew can do!
Doing a review on the Audew. We'll see what it can do.
Hooty-hoo! For this, you only get 30 seconds to jump start it. That's how my other one was. This amplifies your power to it. There is a jumper cable slot here. You pull this open. You plug this thing in. Okay. And I'm not sure if you can see that. It's at 100%. So now we're going to hook this up to the truck. There's a little button on this. It says boost. We're going to hit the boost button and then see what it can do. So, let's just hook her up here. Might go closer to the negative. Okay. Alright, we're hooked up. It's on. That thing turns my truck over faster than the actual battery in the truck. That thing is awesome. It said in the description that it will do all gas motors and it'll work on diesels up to an 8.5 liter. That is really impressive. I'm shocked by that. Now, I jump started my truck twice and it's down to 89%, so you're not gonna jump start your truck like a lot of times, but in a pinch, you have that thing at 100%. That is awesome. That's great. I'm honestly, I'm downright shocked. So, anyways, guys, this is an amazing jumper pack for the size of it. To start my truck up that easy, that was awesome. Like I said, it has 2 USB ports. You got a speed port and a regular one, and then there's a USB Type-C in and out. I don't know what exactly that's for, but you have your charging port out for like a cigarette outlet. You plug it in. You can use accessories like from your truck or your car or whatever you want to use. But yes, I'm so glad they sent this to me. I'm going to put a link in the description to this video. I was just online. Let me look again. I know the original price on these is just under $90, like $89.99. But I was just on there a second ago, and there was like a flash sale, and I need to check and see what the price was on that. Alright guys, so till this video comes out, sadly this deal is going to be over because it ends in 5 hours. But just goes to show you that you can get a better deal than what they're listing. Right now it's $89.99 with free shipping, but this lightning deal, it's $71.99, and it shows that 60% of them are claimed already. These things are great. If you need a jump starter, you need to get your hands on one of these things. Like I said, there's going to be a link in the description. But yeah, that's going to be the end of this video. I know it's a short one for you guys, but you know what? Let me do another really quick review right here at the end. This is not promotion. Nobody sent this to me. I bought this because I needed it. I got this thing on Amazon. If you have a GM car that has tire pressure sensors, this thing was like $16 on Amazon. And there's the model number. I don't know if it's going to show backwards or what. But this thing... it reprograms your tire pressure sensors if you have a GM vehicle. Like, it'll work on my truck, Ashley's car, and my car. And since we switched rims, I kind of needed this, and it's handy. You pull up your tire pressure on your gauge cluster, hit the reset button, and hold it in until it comes up with the relearn process. Then you stick this thing up against your tire. You got to start with the left front, and you hold the button in like this, and your horn will honk. Then you go to the passenger side front, do the same thing. Passenger side rear, same thing. Driver side rear, same thing. And then the spare tire if you have one. And this reprograms them for you. Pretty neat. I mean, it's real simple. Takes a 9-volt battery. But yeah, that was a real quick review here on the end of a product that I bought with my own money. My old money, moldy money. So, anyways... if you like this video, guys, go check out some of my other videos, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Pizza!